Another piece that you're going to notice is the basically the whole upper part of the church was whitewashed. So everything was white, and so we're adding obviously an element of color to a lot of that. One of the parts that I'm pretty excited about is the pilasters, which is the part that is above the pillar that kind of mimics a bit of a pillar that goes up to the upper arches on the ceiling. And so what we're doing with those is this faux look. So these were just white before, and so they're being sort of marbleized to have a bit of a stone look to them, and then topped with the gold edge. So I'm pretty excited about that aspect as well.